Hi, I'm Diamond. I'm the proud founder of Finally Freedom Junk Removal. Along with my husband, Brandon, today we're going to take a stroll down memory lane as we share the story behind our company. The journey from a small startup to Maine's trusted junk removal service, our journey began in 2020 with a simple mission, and that was to help people reclaim their space while doing our part to protect the environment. Since then, we have worked tirelessly to serve the beautiful communities in and around Portland, building a reputation for reliability, integrity, and excellence. Over the years, we have expanded our services to offer a comprehensive solution for all your junk removal needs, including residential junk removal, from decluttering your garage to removing old furniture. We are here to help homeowners keep their space clean and organized. Also, junk removal for commercial. We offer services for businesses, helping you get rid of unwanted furniture, electronics, and more, providing a clean, productive work environment. Eco-friendly disposal as well. Our commitment to the environment drives us to recycle and donate as much as possible, reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Today, Finally Freedom Junk Removal stands as a testament to hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of customer satisfaction. We are more than just a junk removal company. We are a team committed to making a positive impact in our community. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Here's to a cleaner, greener, and happier state of Maine. Give us a call. I look forward to hearing from you.